Hello, Matt Petrowski here. I'm going to give you a very quick tutorial of how to change the header for the Theme Studio theme. Now, the Theme Studio theme uses an image which is composed originally of multiple objects, but it's condensed down to a very thin strip of a graphic. So as I select the body part, noting that there is no header and no footer, we can see that over here that this is specified as an image. Now, this has been tweaked so that it is supporting just a repeat on the horizontal axis, not on both the horizontal and the vertical, which FileMaker currently does not give access to as of the recording of this video. So this setting of tile right here is not actually a true tile, it's just a horizontal tiling, not a horizontal and vertical. Now I have that specified on this object right here, where it allows you to replace the image that you're going to modify. Now the images that you'll find right here are all of the different composed images, or all of the different multiple images that are composed to create the graphic. So we have the top portion, the middle portion, which is the navigation bar. We have a shadow, which is on top of a solid color. So the solid color is what we actually want to modify. If we want to change this, we simply just check here, or click here, set to a new color. Let's say we're going to go to something like an orange and apply a little bit more saturation. Now that we've got that, all we have to do is shoot a screenshot of this that we're actually going to paste or replace in the image in order to get that onto the body. So I'm going to invoke the screenshot tool on the Macintosh here with Command Shift and 4. I'm going to take the crosshairs to the very top of this object, and knowing that the object, or the header area, which is the area where the buttons and everything is included, is a 126 pixel high image, I'm going to drag this to be 5 pixels wide and 126 pixels high. With that capture being sent to the desktop, I can now switch to the Finder, and there is that screenshot right there. We can see that by opening up with the quick look. So I'm going to rename this. Actually, I will get rid of the original, and then I will rename this to what I am using, which is theme header. You can name this whatever you want to name it. Now we're not done yet. If I scroll over, you're going to see that the current size is currently 3 kilobytes. Or if I get information about this, I can see that it's a PNG, or Portable Network Graphics image, at 3,000 bytes, or 3 kilobytes. And the disk is reporting it as 4 kilobytes. We want to get this as small as possible. So using an application that I like to use on the Macintosh called Launch Bar, I can simply, for my key, assigned key, which is the control key, tap 2 times, which puts it into Launch Bar and allows me to send it to Image Optum. Now, Image Optum is a program you can search for using Google, or you can drag this image directly onto it once you have Image Optum installed. Now, it's simply going to do the compression directly on the image. You can see that I got a savings of 89%. It was knocked from that 3 kilobytes down to 338 bytes. And that is the image that includes all of the header components, which simply allows me to go back into FileMaker, select this container, and then simply choose and then replace with my new theme header. Now that I've inserted, this particular graphic has been tweaked using the Theme Studio Tweak tool, which you have access to, so that it only is repeating on the horizontal axis, not the vertical. I can simply use the copy and paste style by copying and then selecting the body and then pasting. And that's how easy it is to replace the header. Of course, you may want to replace any lines that are specified on this. This is currently specified to a blue line, and you might want to make that a gray or a complementary color to whatever color you are changing it to. But that's how easy it is. You then walk across to any other layouts that you want to change that header. If you want to use a different color on different layouts, this theme certainly accommodates that. I hope this helps you out. Much luck and enjoy.